Hey guys, it's Mike and Steven and Ryan here at Narcoleptic Customs. Got a big group tonight because we got to move some stuff around, and I'll show you a big shot here in a minute of Ryan's donor LS Suburban. But to do that, we were kind of figuring out outside is a little bit of a shuffle, and I didn't get any video of that because these guys had it knocked out before I got home. But we had the old truck, we've got this Suburban, we've got the Land Cruiser's donor Tahoe outside, we've got Maloney's truck is here, Steven's trailer's here, so we're trying to figure out an easy way to move stuff around. And I came up with the thought of taking receivers, right? That way you could hook it onto the ball mount on the back of the truck. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna weld it onto a pipe or to a square tube. We're gonna do one on each end, and that way we can just hook this to a receiver on the back of a truck, this to a receiver on the back of a truck, and tow it around. So we're gonna get to work doing that.
Until the day I die.
All right, so Steven grabbed these little hitches at Harbor Freight. They are a 2-inch ball because that's what I have on all the slide outs in the trucks. So now I'm going to take them and cut these sides down so I can beat these in and we can get a weld on the side. All right, Steven said screw it. We're going to go with these welds I got, and then we'll finish it up later. This is going to be awesome if this works. A little more, just like. Okay, let's see if this works. All right, so the biggest benefit to this is obviously you can push and pull with that. So we're going to have Ryan driving. And here's his 02 Suburban donor for his LS swap. How many miles were on this thing?
What?
How many miles were on this?
Over 270.
Woo! Motor was smooth, easy. Did what it was supposed to. So see, because here's the benefit. So he's pulling it, right? Ryan can steer it. Sorry, it's raining or I'd go outside. And then he can also push it. This works. That's so funny. All right. So now he'll push it back in there. We'll see if this thing folds in half. That's so awesome. Okay, quick change of plans. I'm not going to worry about cutting that other end like I did. I'm just going to cut some sheets here, threw them down in the holes. It obviously works. I want to make sure that everything's good to go on that end. And I'll weld a couple of these holes up and then it across here. So. As ugly as it is, but it'll work and it'll move stuff around and make it easier. I'd give you a shot of the outside, but like I said, we've already cleaned it up. So subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. Thanks.